How to play Xbox games on PC with PS5 controller. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll demonstrate how to play Xbox games on a PC using a PlayStation 5 controller. It's a straightforward process, so follow along closely. Before delving into the setup method for flawlessly integrating a PlayStation 5 controller with any game, it is important to note that most games available through the Xbox Game Pass on PC offer full controller support, including for the DualSense controllers. It's advisable to launch the game you intend to play first or conduct some research, as the controller is often not natively supported. However, assuming you have already attempted this and are seeking an alternative solution, if the game lacks DualSense or DualShock support, you can download a tool called DS4 Windows or DS5 Windows from the website ds4windows.com. This tool assists in configuring a PlayStation controller, be it a DualShock 3, 4, or DualSense 5, for use with a Windows 10 or 11 PC. By employing this tool, your DualSense controller can function as an Xbox controller, essentially instructing your computer to recognize it as such. This enables seamless compatibility with any game on the Xbox Game Pass without encountering any issues. To begin, download the tool, connect your controller to your PC, keep the tool running in the background, and create a new profile. Everything will then be set up for your use. While I can't demonstrate this entire process on screen, since I only have an Xbox controller, when you launch a game lacking native DualSense 5 support, you will observe Xbox buttons and prompts instead of PlayStation ones with your controller configured as usual. You can also do this in your Steam library, and here is a following step. You can customize settings to your preference, making the process incredibly straightforward, and I trust that this guide has been helpful in enabling you to play Xbox games on PC using a PlayStation 5 controller. If you found this video to be beneficial, please consider liking and subscribing for more handy tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.